Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, and in this video I wanted to share a tip that a dear crafting friend reminded me of after I did a live video on Facebook the other day. And so I'm calling this video, Don't Waste the Foil. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, here is a card that I made with the World of Good Memories and More kit, and I've used one of the 3x4 cards here on this little fun fold. And to back it, I decided to use some of this beautiful new brass foil that is in the new Stampin' Up! Catalog. And so what I did to border this is I just cut 1/2 inch strips, and then I adhered it behind this 3x4 card. So hence I just used a small strip there of the foil, because if you're like me, I have little bits and pieces of my foils that I save because I never know when I'm going to need a circle punch or just a small die cut. And so I save all those little pieces. Well, on another card that I made, I did this one. And yes, it's a nice, really pretty, stunning card. But on this one, I have 3x4, and then there is a 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 piece of foil behind it. And I had a dear friend email me and said, Lisa, oh my goodness, there's so much goodness behind this 3x4 card. So she said, why don't you just punch something? And I thought, I usually do. I wasn't thinking, I was just putting the card together when I was designing it. But yes, say for instance, this is a layer that you're going to use on a card. Okay, and then I'll cover it up with a stamped image or another card from Memories and More. Okay, so you turn it over and you've got all this foil right here that's being covered up. That's a lot of goodness being hidden. So what you can do is die cut a shape or punch a shape that you use quite often. I could have used a small rectangle die in there and saved it, but no, I forgot. So this is just a reminder. Don't waste the foil. Use this little piece, leave enough around the edges to glue your top layer, and then no one will ever see that you've saved a precious part of that foil for your stash. Okay, that's just my tip for today. If you have any questions, let me know. If I can help you with an order, you can visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.